Yeah. Perfect. All right. Old Faithful 2001 Gaja Costa Russi for you. It's actually been standing upright for like almost a day just because I knew they were going to get it. But I still wanted to make sure it was nice and presented for you, obviously. I'm actually surprised by how just fresh and lively this wine is. It's kind of intriguing.
2001 was my first Gaja Barbaresco.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Very nice. Wow. Oh.
We ordered it. The general manager comes. We knew him.
Yeah.
Guys, I know you don't care about money, but this is $550. We're like, yeah, we know. We've been looking at it for a while. Business is doing good. So we want that bottle. We're like, okay.
Wow. Was it the Mastro's here?
My first $500 bottle. No, in Thousand Oaks.
Oh, wow.
First $500 bottle.
And then from there, you've been just on a... I know.
First $1,000 was a Carnavino.
Oh, really?
2001 Sorrento Vino.
A G for that? That's actually... it's actually a pretty good price.
It was 8 something.
Yeah.
It was over 1,000. But yeah.
Wow.
This was back 15 years ago.
Oh, so it was like original.
Yeah.
Wow.
Carnavino, yeah, they closed down.
Okay, so 15 years ago, $1,000 is a lot of money.
Yeah.
Like, I will be honest with you. Like nowadays, yes, $1,000 is still a lot.
2008, yeah, 2008.
Wow.
The Barbaresco was probably 2007.
Perfect. Well, so it really developed since then, I will say. Especially the 01 vintage. Oh, yeah. Absolutely. Perfect. I'm so glad you guys come back. So nice having you guys here in the restaurant. Just a beautiful color. Wow. Oh. Okay, so that smells surprisingly more developed. Covered. Beautiful. How was your champagne? You liked it?
Yes. Thank you.
I remember you liked the ghee, and I was like, okay, I think this will be a style you like. Obviously, it has a little bit more age, which is great. Beautiful. Christmas went well?
Yeah.
Good. Good. I know. That's why you like it. So wow, okay, so now that I know that you tasted Gaja a long time ago, what were you drinking before Gaja? Of course you were. You know I'm gonna run out of this for you. I'm gonna try not to, but you are consuming it at a good rate. Enjoy it, all right?
You got some nice bottles too.
I agree.